Look at that! Okay, so this is how we're gonna ride in traffic. So when you're riding in traffic, you see how up ahead it gets kind of narrow. So whenever it's narrow, that means there's an opening on the other side. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll just come on this side and then see how it opens up. So whenever it gets too narrow, you can always bank on the other side being more open. And that's one way to keep the flow going so you don't get stuck. It's nice when people look at it. And then you always want to make your way to the front so you can get yourself out of traffic. Yeah. And then I always cut left and get to the front. And I always work my way into the traffic. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then we just split traffic down the middle here. Nice, yeah. See if we can make this light. We're gonna make it. Let's go. And you want to work your way to the left side of the freeway, between the last lane and the second lane. That way, you only have to deal with these two elements. When you're in traffic over here, you got people making lefts and rights. Over here, you only have to worry about really people coming out, people coming in this way. It makes it a lot easier to manage. Try to start to warm up. Oh yeah, it's cold. But these tires on the back, they don't really feel too good. They're a little slippery. They're a little old. Hopefully they honor the warranty on these tires that I got a while back. Let's follow this guy. Hey, really nice. A little cold out, but it's nice. Another Ducati. Baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah. Well, I'm burning through the fuel right now. Oh. Baby! Oh yeah! Look at that! She caught up! Wow, hell yeah! Yeah, he's finally listening. Yeah, baby. Yeah, he's rallying. Oh man. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. It's rallying. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Woo. He's taking the play today. He's moving, man. Woohoo! I just hope I don't run out of gas. How much gas do I got? 22 miles. Woo! Got away from that. That was a good ride. That was a good ride.